Welcome to this week's meditation. Let's connect now in consciousness and find and feel that divine presence which is absolutely within you. And I'm going to be quiet for about 30 seconds and allow you just to feel that presence. Allow it to be there for you. Now take a slow, deep breath through the nose. Hold it 2 to 3 seconds if you may, and then release it again through the nose slowly. Now one more, let's do it together, breathing in and breathing out slowly. Breathing in once more. And slowly out. And feel yourself moving into a gentle state of calm and connection with Spirit. Such a beautiful connection we have when we're in that place of silence and allow the Spirit to become alive in us. This is that time of year, and it is the season of gratitude, that time that we celebrate the season of the harvest, that abundant harvest. Not only in the fields and the farms, but also in our own personal efforts and our own work. For now, imagine yourself outside on a crisp, sunny day, fall day, and as you walk along the path, you hear the leaves crunching under your feet. And as those leaves are crunching, new thoughts and ideas are already beginning to take form within you. New plans to be made. New plans to be made that are coming into a dreamy state of form, which will in time be executed by you. It is so good to explore and to dream them into being. Just allow that to happen. And perhaps while you're there, you recall that additional time that you had during these past 6 to 8 months. That additional time that you had to spend at home with immediate family and loved ones. And all of those conversations and plans that you had together. And you put those into place in your lives as you shared them and brought them into fruition. Recall the positive changes which came about and how you cherished this time spent together as you became closer and closer. Filled with love and gratitude, you again feel that warmth and love and the caring in your hearts. In fact, you may just want to linger here on this walk a bit longer and express your gratitude and love for all the new ideas and the plans that you have for the future, and feel that warmth and love in your heart. Allow that to expand more and more, and as it does, more gratitude comes forth, and a joy beyond joy fills your soul. as you realize that the gratitude within is feeding all of these new ventures and exciting things that are part of your future that began to just be seated within you a few minutes ago. And again, you feel that glory of gratitude, that abundant gratitude, which fills your heart and just overpowers your being. And so it is.